Hello everyone, this is Sandman here from Inflectra, and I want to talk about a new feature we've just released in SpiraPlan Inflectra.ai. It is the ability to analyze the test coverage of your requirements. You've got requirements, you've got user stories, you've got features. How can you make sure that you have adequate coverage, that you're not missing any edge cases or unusual scenarios that might get missed in testing? Well, with this new AI agent we've released, it can now do that work for you. So let's go ahead and see it in action. Okay, here we go. And as you can see, I've got a new requirement. As a user, I want to transfer funds between my accounts online so I can manage my money more efficiently. And I've got here a detailed description of what that requirement should be. This requirement, by the way, is part of a broader set about setting up alerts, managing bills online, and so on. So it's part of a wider set of backlog requirements about an online banking system. Now, I haven't got any test cases currently. If you go here, the test coverage is blank. And I'd obviously want to understand what does it take to cover this requirement adequately. So first of all, I'm going to generate some requirements, some test cases using Inflectra.ai. So I'll do that by going to the tab. I'm going to do create test coverage. And this feature to create test cases is actually nothing new in this release. That's been around for a while, but I want to use that first just to start with a baseline. So it's creating 7 test cases with 48 steps that it believes will adequately cover this requirement. Okay, so it's created these 7 test cases. If we go to the test coverage tab, I'm going to minimize the sidebar a second, hit refresh. You can see here are my 7 test cases. Verifying transfer of funds, checking account type, testing edge cases, such as maximum transfer amount, dates in the future, simultaneous transfers, that kind of stuff. So we've got 7 different tests. So the question really is, have we truly covered that requirement? And this is basically us using AI to check AI, which is always a good thing to do. So I'm going to hit the evaluate test coverage. And now it's setting off a series of separate agents in the background to actually verify the test coverage. And I should be clear, as well as testing the actual test cases that are linked to this one requirement, it does look at other requirements to see if other related test case could be covering it. So if this requirement was to do transfers, but there was another requirement which was to do real-time transfers, then it would know that this particular requirement is only for the non-real-time transfers. And so it would know that any test cases or test coverage related to that should be omitted. So it's intelligent. It doesn't just look at the one requirement in the test cases. It does look at peers and siblings and tries to understand the wider context. So it's giving us an 83% coverage rate. As you can see here, it's broken down that one feature, the transferring of funds, into 5 testable topics: support for different account types, confirmation process, handling edge cases, negative scenarios. And based on this analysis, it looks like that performance on different devices and screen sizes has actually been missed. So you can see here that that is actually now missing from my set of requirements. Now, to fix this problem, I can go in here and I can create a new test case to handle testing on different devices and screen sizes. Or if this is not part of this requirement, I can create a different requirement somewhere else that explicitly talks about that feature, so we know it should be excluded. Now, you may ask, well, what about being able to suggest and automatically generate this missing test case? Well, don't worry, that's coming soon in our next update to this feature. But as of right now, we can already do the analysis portion, generate test cases, and this goes on top of our existing functionality where we can even verify the requirement itself is good using the requirements analysis tools. So this is all part of our set of functionality we're adding to make requirements and testing better, and also make sure you're not missing quality in the middle. It's not just about performance, it's not just about productivity. Using AI should be about improving quality, improving consistency and reliability. And with this new feature, you can see that in action.